In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your account in Robinhood in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through each step to ensure you have a smooth experience. Robinhood, as you might already know, is a platform offering commission-free stock trading and investing, and verifying your account is an important step to get started with your financial journey. First, you'll need to visit the Robinhood website. Simply open your browser and go to robinhood.com. Once you're there, you'll see Robinhood's homepage, where they proudly declare their mission to democratize finance for all. It's a sleek and user-friendly site, perfect for both novices and seasoned investors alike. Next, look for the Login button, typically at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you to the login screen. Now, if you already have an account, this is where you'll enter your credentials. But if you're brand new, there's an option to create a new account. For those already registered, once you've inputted your details and logged in, you'll find yourself on your Robinhood home dashboard. Once you're on the home page, a crucial section you're looking for is something that says, "Finish signing up," or a similar prompt. It's important because Robinhood requires some additional information beyond just username and password to fully activate your account. Clicking on this link will guide you to the next step of the verification process. Here's the part where you'll need to enter your personal details. Don't worry, this is standard procedure. You'll be asked for various information, which could include your full name, social security number, date of birth, and more. Robinhood requires these details to comply with financial regulations and provide security to your account. Rest assured, entering this data allows Robinhood to verify your identity and protect against fraud. As you provide your personal information, be sure to double-check all entries to avoid any errors that might lead to a delay. This step is focused on ensuring both accuracy and security. Once you've filled out the required fields, there should be a submission button to proceed with the verification. After submission, the verification may take a little time as Robinhood reviews the information provided. Keep an eye on your email, as Robinhood will notify you once your account is fully verified. With verification complete, you can now explore the features Robinhood offers, such as buying and selling stocks, monitoring your investments, and making informed financial decisions. And that's it. You've successfully verified your Robinhood account, setting you on the path to better manage your investments. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials to enhance your trading experience.